Hello. Welcome to the new year. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to 2018. Mwah. So I believe this is my first video that you will be seeing. Possibly not, for 2018, but this is the first one that I'm actually filming in 2018. So, hey 2018, how you doing? I'm thirsty, girl. So I know you guys loved my hair from New Year's. So I wanted to recreate it for you and show you how I created it. It's honestly so easy to create this hairstyle. It's just a matter of curling your hair with a specific wand. And I'm gonna show you what products I used, what curling wand I used, and how I got that hairstyle. It's super fun, super bouncy, and it's really, really awesome to curl your hair like this, especially if your hair is not naturally curly. Mine is naturally like wavy, but it's definitely not this curly. So it was really fun to curl it that way and see how it looks. And yeah, let's just jump right into it and I'll show you how I got the hairstyle. So here is the curling wand that I am going to be using. This is from Hot Tools. I believe that this is a 1/2 inch. You know what I noticed about Hot Tools, guys? They don't ever put what kind of curling iron it is on their curling iron. It's nowhere on here. So it's like up to me, a guessing game. It has the model. It's model HTG 1850. But I'm assuming, and what I believe, this is the Hot Tools Cone Curling Iron wand, and I believe it is 1/2 inch. And I'm gonna be curling my entire head with this curling iron. So my hair is dirty right now. I'm just gonna take it out of this bun. You can do this, I've done this with my hair clean, and I've done it with my hair dirty. It obviously works best with dirty hair because there's a little bit more volume in dirty hair. But my hair has been just like, what is this? So I have to brush through all of this hair before we jump into this tutorial because I take pieces that are about this big and curl them on this curling iron, and I can't do that if it's all together. So to do that, I'm going to take my Eva NYC Forget Me Not Dry Conditioner. This is the way that I kind of get all the knots out of my hair when it's not wet, when it's dry, because it's dry conditioner. And I'm just going to spray that all in my hair, away from the roots though. And I have this Agave Healing Oil treatment, and I'm just going to add a little bit of this to the bottom half of my hair, staying away from the root area so that my hair doesn't look oily. I just brush through it, starting at the bottom, out, working my way to the top. Alright guys, so once my hair is all fluffy and brushed out, I want to make sure I can put my fingers through it. Oh god, there's so much. So I have just a clip, and I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into sections. As I separate the hair into sections, I am going to be spraying just a little bit of dry shampoo. This is going to help give the hair lots of volume, and it's also going to help make sure that my hair doesn't look dirty. So as I told you guys, I'm just going to take a little piece about this size, and I'm going to be wrapping it away from my face. So I like to hold the wand really, really, really tight and pull the hair all the way to the end, and it takes less than a few seconds for the hair to heat up so that you can let it go. I just make sure that it's brushed out so that it curls every piece. And I'm just gonna wrap it super tight around the wand. And right when I get to the end, it's probably gonna be hot already. Wait 2 seconds and just let it go. And I'm not crazy with all of the curls looking exactly the same. I don't want them to look exactly the same. I want them to all be completely unique. So sometimes I will take a couple of pieces that are thicker than the others, just in case you get lazy. But you definitely want some, for the most part, you want smaller pieces curled together so that you have more volume in the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair into sections and curl all of the pieces just like so. Alright you guys, I'm done curling my hair. So this is what it looks like. It feels so cool. This is what it looks like before I've done anything to it at all. If I want to, I can add just a little bit more oil to it, especially if you have kind of frizzy hair. If I do add oil to it, you guys, you see I'm not touching the ends or the top. I'm just focusing it on kind of the middle of the hair, and it gives the curls a little bit more shine and keeps them together a little bit more. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of the L'Oreal Elnett Satin hairspray, and I'm just gonna spray this all over. And I'm just gonna kind of put my fingers through some of the curls and just kind of, some of them get a little knotty. But I'm gonna brush them out just a little bit. So you can see it gives it much more volume on one side, and then this is the side I didn't run my fingers through. And then I like to just kind of like pull at the ends, because I kind of want my hair to be really long. So I just pull at the ends so that the hair looks a lot longer. So now what I'm gonna do, you guys, before I style this is I'm gonna take some pieces and I'm gonna hold the tip and push the hair up like that. This is going to give it more of a messy look. If you don't want to do this part, it's totally fine, girl. Make it your own, but I like to just do this to a couple so that it gives it a little bit more volume here at the top. So now to style this hair, you guys, sometimes I leave it just like this and kind of run my fingers through it throughout the day. Don't really leave it the way it is. I'm a finger hair runner. Does that make sense? I run my fingers through my hair all day long, especially if I just straighten it or blow dry it out. I'm running my fingers through my hair all day, so you could do that. Or the way that I styled it on New Year's, I want to show you guys how I did it. All I really did was I took this side and I kept combing my fingers through just the top right here, and I put it behind my ear. You can take like a toothbrush or like a really small comb if you want it to be perfect, but all you really have to do is just put it behind your ear, spray this little part down here, fluff it up, and that's it for this hairstyle. Alright guys, so this is the finished hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you try it out, make sure to hashtag Beauty by Julia so that I can see how your hair turned out. I would love to see all of your recreations because I love you guys. I think this hair is something super different and super fun, and I love rocking it because it got little curls and they bounce back. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe right here if you haven't already, and if you're not subscribed already, click it, click it, click it. And of course, don't forget to check out all of my other videos right here. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I'll see you, Glitter Fam, in the next video.